Noise. What noise?
We got a 2024 6.7 liter Power Stroke back here with our 140 gallon per hour system running
at 65 PSI?
That's right, running at about 65 PSI. And when people complain about noise output on the systems, the complaints we have on the Illuma-Duty applications generally have come from poor installations, meaning something was done wrong, but what we have here, we have a system that was installed in-house correctly, and we're gonna show you exactly how quiet this unit is.
That is without the engine running.
It's quiet. It's very quiet.
That's quiet. That has a high torque, so I can go to the Arctic Ocean, pump gelling fuel.
Yep.
I can pump through dirty filters. And speaking of filters, if you put restricted filters on here, especially on the suction side,
yep.
That's a 144 stainless steel wire mesh screen. That's on the suction side, so it doesn't cavitate like if you would put a 10 micron cellulose.
Run into that a lot with customers.
Backwards.
Right, backwards filters or putting non-FASS filters on that are too restrictive and again, makes the pump noisy.
Yes, that's what it should sound like, okay? That is what it's designed to, because what really changed is when I bought my 2015 Ford and we had our older titaniums, and remember how noisy those were?
Yep, yep.
Hey, you know what? Take a listen. The Dorian's truck, when I went down, I had AC problems with one-way's truck, and I had AC problems, so he lent me his truck. Listen to this. Now listen to this. I mean, that's a strong motor, but it's making some noise, okay?
You can barely hear it now.
Quiet.
When it's installed right, the proper filters, not a restricting filter on the suction side, because you could put a 20 micron on the suction side and it gets dirty.
Yep.
That's restriction.
Absolutely, and you're gonna hear it.
Jake, can you hear the FASS running?
I can't hear you over the breeze that's blowing through the truck. I can hear it all.
So do we even need to start the truck for you not to hear it?
No.
Let's start it anyways. It's on. Oh, look. You can't even see the filters. No one beats us when it comes to quietness, whisper technology, flow rate, and pressure on diesel fuel.
That's right.
No one.